In this video, I'm bringing you a valuable tool that I've personally been hunting down for a while, and I just had to share it with you. It's the Auto Captions script for After Effects, completely free. With this tool, you can automatically generate professional captions and easily apply text effects. Stick around until the end to learn how to install and use it. To start off, we'll import the video and audio files we'll be using into After Effects. Next, let's head over to the Easy Sub tool. I've left the download link for you in the description below. Once downloaded, extract the zip file, open the folder and copy this file. Now, go to the After Effects shortcut, right-click, and select Open File Location. Look for the Scripts folder, then open Script UI Panels, and paste the file inside. As you can see, I've already pasted it earlier. Just make sure to close After Effects before pasting the script. Reopen After Effects, go to the Window menu, scroll down, and locate the Easy Sub tool. When you click Import, you'll notice that it reads files in .srt format. But don't worry, the fix is super easy. Whether you have a written transcript or an audio file, you can easily convert it to .srt. I'll demonstrate converting an audio file to .srt, as it's the most reliable and accurate method compared to text conversion. Go to Google and search for MP3 to SRT. You'll find dozens of websites. I'll use this one and leave the link in the description as well. Select the audio language, in my case, English, but you can choose whichever language you need. Then click Convert, wait a moment, and hit Download. Back in After Effects, import the .srt file, and congratulations! The captions are now perfectly synced with your audio track. All that's left is to edit the font style and size to make it clear and readable. You can customize the colors directly from the script interface as shown on screen, and move the text anywhere using your mouse. You can apply the same steps to other layers as well. Alternatively, the easiest way is to simply adjust your font settings, size, and color directly from the character panel in After Effects before generating the text. This tool will also come in super handy for short reels. If the video doesn't have too much dialogue, you can fully customize each word individually, from its color and font to the exact size you want. However, I chose to test it on a longer video today to show you just how powerful and efficient it is. It saves you the hassle and time of switching to other software like Premiere Pro or CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I'll leave you with the final video result after adding the captions at the end. Enjoy! In this video, I'm bringing you a valuable tool that I've personally been hunting down for a while, and I just had to share it with you. It's the Auto Captions script for After Effects, completely free. With this tool, you can automatically generate professional captions